Okay, so to adjust the seat on your bike, assuming you have the regular seat post, not the suspension, you just flip this lever out and then pull up. That will remove the seat as well as the seat post. Right here is the angle that the seat sits at. For that, I'm going to use a 14mm wrench, or more commonly, these work as well, just any crescent wrench. So I'm going to start by loosening a few turns on one side, then I'm going to alternate and go to the other side, and just keep doing that until this loosens. Now from this point, I can adjust the angle that it sits at. So I would recommend just playing around with it, seeing what angle works best for you, since it's all rider preference. But once you get it set at whichever angle you desire, you're going to tighten it back up in the same fashion. So a few cranks on one side, and then alternate, and this is going to fit or tighten down really snug to prevent it from swiveling while you're riding. Once you get that, bring it back to the bike, set it at whichever height is comfortable for you, and then just close that lever back up and you're good to go.